Hey guys, Derek here, and doing the weather report. And it's Saturday. I don't know what the date is today. It's Saturday, and it is raining. And for the last hour, it has been raining really, really hard. And I'll show you some of this stuff. But kind of excited, kind of happy. When I was a kid, this is how I remember the winters in California, just pouring rain all the time, having big storms like this come in. And the last couple of years, we've had some pretty dry winters. But take a look at some of the rain that we've got happening. Okay, it's only been about 5 minutes since the last video, and the pool has gone up even more, and it is raining even harder now. The roof gutters are overwhelmed, and it looks like it's possible that the water on the pool is actually, water from the outside is actually running into the pool. We've got about 2 inches of slope on there, but that's how much rain we got getting thrown in the pool.